So let's talk about super tags now. So what exactly are super tags? Well, they actually aren't technically new, but what they are is they allow the user to create a template approach to tag creation to improve engineering efficiency as you build out your tags. So they're basically composite tag name types that are defined with parent and child tag names, which makes it really easy to organize and replicate the tags in bulk. So they've actually been around for a few InTouch versions, but what we have now with 2023 is new enhancements to the super tags. So super tags are now more easily accessible from a pane with improved workflow compared to before, which makes it easier to manage the super tag members and attributes. So we will see how that all works in this video here. I'm going to go ahead and play the video, and we can see that we're in Window Maker here, and we have a tab for super tags on the bottom left right there, right next to the Windows tab on the bottom left. And here's where you can create your super tag templates. For example, we see a template called tank right here, and we can actually edit this template to see how we can define some attributes like the latitude and longitude that you see here, which when they're edited, they'll apply to all the instances of that super tag template. And the latitude and longitude attributes that you see here have their own buttons here to make it easy to implement these super tags with the map app widget, which I'll show in the next slide. So when we click on the specific super tag instances right there, tank 1 and tank 2, it brings up the tag name dictionary. And this is where you can edit the attributes to of those specific instances. So in the member list dropdown here, which you can see right here, you can select the latitude and longitude children attributes and edit them, which is a much easier process than it was before.